Welcome to the Asia Guide. Today we explore Tokyo, a breathtaking megacity where futuristic innovation, glowing skylines, and extraordinary design come together to create the most advanced urban landscape on Earth. What truly sets Tokyo apart is its technology. Here, everyday life runs on precision. The subway system is one of the fastest, cleanest, and most reliable in the world. Shinkansen bullet trains glide across the country at incredible speed, connecting millions of people with flawless efficiency. From cashless payments to automated services, robotics, and AI-powered systems, Tokyo is designed to function smoothly around the clock. This is a smart city at a massive scale, a real-world blueprint for the urban future. If you want to see the future with your own eyes, Tokyo's districts each tell their own story. Odaiba, a futuristic island built on reclaimed land, showcases cutting-edge architecture and waterfront views. Shibuya is constantly reinventing itself, transforming into a digital mega-hub filled with giant screens, glowing lights, and non-stop movement. Tokyo Bay continues to expand with new urban developments, advanced buildings, and next-generation transport links. Every part of Tokyo feels like a chapter in a city that refuses to stop evolving. Despite its scale, Tokyo remains one of the cleanest and safest megacities in the world. Wide avenues, organized streets, lush parks, and carefully designed public spaces create a beautiful balance between technology and nature. This is a city built for people. Efficient, peaceful, and surprisingly calm once you step away from the busy centers. Tokyo blends tradition, innovation, and lifestyle in a way no other city can. As Tokyo moves toward 2026 and beyond, new skyscrapers, more intelligent transport systems, and ambitious urban projects continue to shape its future. This is not just a city, it is a vision of what tomorrow can look like. Tokyo remains the ultimate city of the future, and one of the most inspiring places on Earth. Thanks for watching the Asia Guide.